Good morning, once again, all of you. And today we just go for the new network. Last session we discussed our traditional network since the starting of the telecommunication and till time what is the basic line for the telephone. And today this line is migrated in the new line. Line is the same, but what change in place of telephone now use of the computers. Only this change. Earlier their telephone use, but this line now updated as the uh, data network. Either you can say internet telephone line or internet data network. Yeah, another word is IT infrastructure. Yes, this is the real name of in this today, IT infrastructure. And this line basically upcoming future in the 5G era, IoT, Internet of Things, each and every devices at your home, at your office, any place, all are connected to the internet. So definitely, upcoming time is too challenging, and in terms of the technology, but in terms of the human, it is the more easier and enjoyable. So now we discuss for the new network. So just I sharing one PPT. Any question you can write in the chat box. I give the answer. Data network and communication. This is the new name of technology. Old is the telecom line. So now in traditional and old network, main preference only wires communication like telephone, and after the some time day by day we added some additional feature like for example in the mobile communication you added some SMS facilities and some WAS facilities. WAS means ring PRBT, personalized ring back tone. If you're calling anybody, so there's some sound, some announcement you can listen. So this known is the PRBT. So basically, this service already available our traditional network. Now in the current network, it will completely change, and it is known as the data communication. In data communication means there is the voice, audio, other form of multimedia. In this new communication, we can use in place of the telephone either smart devices like computers, like smartphones, like tablet. In a general manner, we can say traditional network and current network for the learning purpose, each and everything is similar. Here, comparison chart between the old network and new network. Telephone line, now this is known as data network. And here you can see two types of data network. One is the NIB1, another is the NIB2. NIB, National Internet Backbone. In the old telephone line, if I give the internet, only telephone replace, and then you in the same telephone line got internet. So that is known as NIB1. Before 2006, are you know who is the Sam Petroda? Hilika, are you know who is the Sam Petroda? Sam Petroda, are you know name person of the Sam Petroda? No, don't worry. No, that okay. Uh, Sam Petroda is the Indian scientist, and it is the most popular personality in India. Just I give the via website also. This is Sam Petroda. This is a picture of the Mr. Sam Petroda. Okay. Who is Sam Petroda? Sam Petroda is a famous personality in India and the world. Basically, he is live person, so nobody know more. But in the technology field, in the communication field, each and every very well known to him. He is the popular as a father of telecom in India. One slogan for him awarded to him, who is the father of telecom for India, Mr. Sam Petroda. Before 1984, I just telling about that time our Prime Minister, Srimati Indira Gandhi. 1984, he was popular personality in USA. He basically born in Indian. He is Indian and born in the Odisha, but his career starting in the USA and most popular within the 5 to 6 year in USA. And US telecommunication is the most major role played by the him, and he become popular personality not only in US, whole across the world. So I just telling about in 1984. In 1984, Indira Gandhi, that time our prime minister, he went visit USA. So he just request to Sam Petroda, please work for Indian people, Indian communication system. On request from her, uh, he just come back to India and working start with India. So when he come back India, but at that time Indira Gandhi is murder and not present live. But from that time, Prime Minister is Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, and till time our Prime Minister is Modi sir. So that time to till time, a lot of Prime Minister will be changed, but Indian Telecom Technical Advisor is Sam Petroda. Sam Petroda is in background, all major role play development of the telecommunication system. In the 2006, he just telling to that time our Prime Minister Manmohan Singh ji, he telling to him, dear sir, uh, if you want internet provided to each and every person of Indian, so definitely old telephone line is not sufficient, required new telephone line. So before 2006, there is the one telephone, one internet line that is the known as NIB1. Old telephone line, if old telephone line given the internet, this is known as the NIB1, National Internet Backbone 1. And this line continue in the present time also. Same time, Sam Petroda, on the suggestion of him, our Prime Minister started making a new line in the parallel with the telephone line. This new line is known as NIB2, National Internet Backbone 2. Hopefully now it's clear for all of you. The old telephone line, if give the internet, that is the NIB1. And before 2006, only one telephone line. So that is only NIB1 is single line. But after 2006, yeah, you can say in the current time, internet service is the NIB2, National Internet Backbone. In this case, NIB2, you can reach routers devices. Are you know where is the what is the routers? Any please write in the chat box. Are you listening name of the routers? Are you see router any place? Mary, Manumati, are you know routers? Name of the routers? Yes or no? Just write in the chat box. Yes. Tell me. Either unmute, either write in the. No. Router no. Okay. Don't worry. Router, it is a big device, and another name of router is the mini supercomputer in the current time. Current time, whole world internet service provided by the router, help of the router. At your home, you have one router Wi-Fi. That is not a router Wi-Fi. What is meaning of router Wi-Fi? Basically, this is the Wi-Fi. Some feature of router inbuilt in your Wi-Fi. So your Wi-Fi is renamed by the router Wi-Fi. Okay, but that is not router. Router is separate device. It is the mini supercomputer. If you going in the market purchasing the new routers, it cost will be around starting cost is the in the 2006 to 2015 until time also. If you going purchase a real router, it costs and price around a starting price minimum 5 lakh rupees. So at your home, at your hostel, if anybody saying ki that is the router, no, that is not router. That is the Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi, router modem, router switch. Just like Tiger Biscuit. Tiger Biscuit, in case of the Tiger Biscuit, you are eating the biscuit, not Tiger. Tiger is the brand name, company name. So same time at your home, at your hostel Wi-Fi is router Wi-Fi, router modem. So basically they will be modem, they will be the Wi-Fi. Router is just like brand name as similar to Tiger Biscuit. Okay. So now today in the session, just I want anyone unmute, please. Some question. This question for all of you, and very easy question. Today we discuss about telephone number, and go ahead. Tomorrow will be some IP address also. So first, telephone number. So anyone request which mic is properly working, please unmute. Anyone? Elika, are you there? Mary, Manumati, anyone? Please unmute. I ask the some question. Give the answer. On your screen, I just write 91 120 one telephone line 2755164. This is a telephone line. If asking to all of you, is this telephone number in which place belong in the world? Yes. Elika, just tell me this telephone number. Basically, I just think here there is no any corruption in India. India is a very clean and green country. So suppose here no corruption, no problem. In this case, I just one telephone number I write on your screen. If I asking this telephone number belong to which country, which place in India? Definitely, yes, yes. Are you very well known? This is the country. How to know which country this number belong to? Due to the 91. This is the country code. Well done, each and every one. This is the country code. And you can't change this. This is the fix. Okay? Everybody know. Now the next. Uh, in India is a very big country. Now how to know in India where this telephone number belong? In this number you can identify if you ask your parent, they easily to identify this number where belong in India. Upcoming time nobody can easy to identify due to the a lot of changes by the corruption, but basic idea in the today is similar. Keep in the mind. Bilkul, yes, 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 yes. In Helica is very right. This is a next to this 2 or 3 digit. It may be either 2 digit, either 3 digit, either 4 digit. Earlier time, this is known as the STD code. Basically, this is the area code. General manner, this is the known as area code. Okay, and which code depend on this area code allotted by the just like 91. This is country code in India. Every area allotted by the some this number denoted. Okay, so that for example 2 digit STD code is the 11 Delhi, 22 Mumbai, 33 the Chennai, and uh, I think 44 is the Chennai, 33 is the Kolkata. Okay, so same 3 digit. So this 3 digit basically belonging to the India for understanding to you. This is the here two district in nearby the Delhi in UP, Ghaziabad and Noida. Okay. All time each and everybody just see the number and easily identify this number where belong in India. Okay. But this is common for all. But further in Ghaziabad, Noida, just I here say ki 120. This is the code for the Ghaziabad, Noida. There is two big district in the North India and basically belong to UP. but in this telephone number which place? So next, again further 2 digit 27. This is decided by the sub area. Sub area means this is the Rajnagar. In the Ghaziabad, which location? This is the Rajnagar. Rajnagar is the located in the Ghaziabad. This is the Rajnagar. In India, you can't change this number. 91 you can't change. 120 can't change. Similarly, sub area is also can't change. Rajnagar is also very big area. So what is the further divided? Already discussed in yesterday. Every 5 kilometer radius, there belong one telephone exchange. So next 2 digit, this is the decided in area which telephone exchange. This is the ALT center. In ALT campus, there is the one telephone exchange. This is the ALT center. So now, in general, in the broadcast manner, every telephone number divided in two part. I just clean everything and again write plus 91 120 2755 164. Okay. So now, in general manner, in broadcast manner, easy to understand, each and every telephone number divided in the two part. This is the fixed part, and this fixed part, as per our knowledge, as per our experience, as per plan, this number, this basically belong to in ALT center Ghaziabad, ALTTC Ghaziabad. Okay, here one telephone exchange in this ALTTC campus. Okay, now next 3 digit, this is the basically serial number of telephone number. If first customer telephone number is the 000, second customer telephone number is 001, third, and maximum, how to maximum number of customer possible? 999. So if I ask all of you, in LT center there is one telephone exchange, how many customer will be possible from this telephone exchange? If you dial any telephone number in LTTC, 91120270 is the fix, and further 3 digit is the serial number, this related to the particular customer. So question for all of you, already we discussed, but again ask, are you understand, yes or no? Question is that in LT center, how many telephone number given from this telephone exchange? Yes, give the answer please. How many telephone number is possible in LT center? Any telephone number divided into two part. This is the fixed part. This is the basically serial number. This is allotted to the customer. 000 is not possible. Helika, you write in 999, or Bhanumati, you 999. So from 000 to 999, how many digit? 999 either 1000. Again check. 000 to 999. Yes. Helika, are you getting point? Bhanumati, yes. Okay. Very nice. So keep in the mind. Yes, including zero is also counted. Not you can ignore it. Okay. So any telephone exchange divided in the telephone number divided in the two part. One part is the fixed part. Fixed part for the identify this telephone number which location located in the world. And second part is the customer serial number. This is a 000 to 999. Okay. So now a point to be remembered for all of you. The first telephone number. If I asking what is the first telephone number of this telephone exchange, this is the plus 9112027550. This is the first telephone number. And this telephone number is not given to any customer. Not given to any customer. Okay. Keep in the mind, this point is remember after understanding this, easy to understand tomorrow is the IP address without any confusion. No, don't go to book. I just give when making this telephone number, generation of this telephone number, how to form, I just explain here. Earlier there were no confusion, there is no type any types of corruption. So this if you ask your parent, so they easy to identify where number this belong. In current time in mobile a lot of confusion, but keep in the mind mobile basic of the mobile in the background of the mobile telephone number is similar concept as like this. And last telephone number, this is the +91 120 2755 999. This is the last telephone number. It is also not given to any customer. Now all are tell total 1000 possibilities and one condition apply. First telephone number and last telephone number not given to customer. In this case, how many customer now is possible? Please write. First telephone number and last telephone number not given to any customer. Total 1000. So how many possible to given customer allotted to the number which given to customer? 1000 minus 2. Very nice. This is the 999. This point all are please keep in the mind. This is a 5 minus 2. 998. Okay. Now remember that the first telephone number is known as also exchange ID. The first telephone number is also known as the first telephone number is also known as the exchange ID. From USA in the old time, anybody asked, please give your ID. For example, in your university, in your college, your name is not important. Important is your roll number. If you are going for exam, for any work, your roll number is important. So similarly, ALT center or any telephone exchange name place is not important. Their identity only by the exchange ID. This is the first telephone number. So this telephone is available in the exchange, but this telephone number used for the whole area, whole telephone exchange ID. Okay, this is the explanation of the 000. Now the 999. In the today time, you are all lucky. Our Prime Minister is very lucky. Just go to the Twitter and tell Man Ki Baat. Are you know? Just go to the Twitter and some tweet Man Ki Baat. Are you know? Okay. Each and every know very well what is the our Prime Minister tweeted today. And similarly, all our four our friend you are here. If in the today time, suppose birthday of your mate, so in this simply you just go to the WhatsApp, Facebook, other many social media platform. You just sending message, happy birthday, Lika, happy birthday, Mary, just like this. Okay. Okay. Now, so same time this last telephone number is used for the broadcast ID. Earlier in old time, that time internet is not available. So that time our Prime Minister, like I just remember Atal Bihari Vajpayee, our Prime Minister, Manmohan Singh is our Prime Minister. That time internet is not available. There is no Facebook, no Instagram. How to communicate on the occasion of the National Day, like Independence Day, like Republic Day? How they react? They just have two options. One, either go to the television, either TV, and second is the telephone number, landline telephone number is that popular time. So last telephone number is reserved message of that time, our Prime Minister message. If anybody just pick up the phone, first announcement of our Prime Minister will be there. I am Prime Minister of India, Mr. Manmohan Singh, and wishes all of you occasion of the Republic Day. Have a nice day. Such types of message is broadcasted. Every message, if you are to broadcast, this message not broadcast in air. This is the particular decided any fixed place, and this is the last telephone number. The first telephone number is the broadcast ID, and last telephone number, sorry, exchange ID, and last telephone number used for the broadcast ID. Broadcast ID. Okay. So now it is very clear any telephone number divided into two parts. One is the fixed part, one is the customer part. In the old time, this is the fixed part and customer part. So this is the ISD call 91 STD, your 12011 like your city code, area code. Okay, this is the fixed part. And this fixed part in the current time, the new version of telephone number is known as IP address. In the smart devices, if you want communicate from one computer to another computer, it is very similar like human. If I want to talk Hilika, yeah, Hilika talk to your Bhanumati, so both have the mobile phone, but it is mandatory. Hilika also known telephone number of Bhanumati. Bhanumati, you are also known to telephone number of Hilika. Then easy to communicate. Okay. So without telephone number, you can't communicate. So similarly, in the new communication system, just replaced by the your computer system, your mobile phone. So machine to machine communication is only possible if they have telephone number. But smart devices like computer, like any smartphone, they only known binary system. So telephone number basically directly dialed by the human, it is decimal. But machine to machine communication not possible in the decimal system. So you can say the binary version of telephone number is known as the IP address. Again repeat, the binary version of telephone number is known as the IP address. You can say the new version of telephone number is the known as the IP address. Operated by the human, don't no doubt, but actually communication between two smart devices. So similarly, in IP address we discuss tomorrow. Just here say fixed part will decided this telephone number where belong to in the world. So similarly, network part in IP address is also divided into two part. One part are the fixed part. Fixed part decided this smart devices belonging to which location of the world. And second is the customer telephone number. So similarly, in the IP address is host ID. So today we in the session just discuss about telephone basic, and this is the 91 repeat before the conclusion session today. 91. This is the country code, and this is the city code, STD code. 27 is the area code, and 55 is the which telephone exchange a campus code, and 164 is the subscriber actual serial number. All telephone number divided into two part. One part are the fixed. This fixed part decided this telephone number which area belong, and the second part is the customer part. Basically, this telephone number is the my telephone number. If you want communicate with me, so this telephone is the reality my telephone number. We take it, okay? So same thing, IP address is just divided in a two part. We discuss in the more tomorrow. Now just any confusion about telephone number you can ask. Otherwise again see you tomorrow for next 30-40 minute session. Yes. Now we are getting again this share this video. We again see and see, and tomorrow ready for the next two session is important most. Then we go for the practical. Without IP address and router devices, we can't know what how to manage your network and security. So security only possible if you have basic idea, and I just this give all basic idea in the practical scenario. So how to make IP address we discuss tomorrow. Hopefully, ki after uh, knowing that what is the basic IP idea of a IP address, this not related to books. This related to the practical how to make IP address. Okay, so definitely you go for making campus network and their security. Any question, any doubt you can ask in today's session. Yeah, last 2 days session. If anyone in mind, no. Okay. So can we quit session? Okay. So tomorrow again for 30 minutes we meet again here. Thank you.